Welcome students. In today's class we will start the next part of our matrices chapter, that is matrix multiplication. So as in last video we have studied how to multiply any two matrices. In this video we will study what are the some properties of matrix multiplication. Okay, so properties. So see here, all of you know the commutative law. Commutative law means if we interchange the numbers or the matrices, the result should be same. But in matrix multiplication, so I will take the any two matrices A and B, and I have to multiply AB. So I have multiplied AB. If I interchange the B and A like this, if I interchange the matrices, the result is not equal. What this shows? The commutative law does not hold good for matrix multiplication. So I can prove this with some examples. So I will take one example. So I will take the matrix A as 1, 2, 3 minus 4 and B as 2, 0, 1 minus 2. Okay, these are the two matrices A and B. I have to check that whether AB is equal to BA or not. So first I have to find out the AB. Before finding AB, first check whether this AB satisfies the main condition of matrix multiplication. What is that? So order of a matrix A is 2 by 2, order of a matrix B is 2 by 2. So number of columns in first matrix and number of rows in second matrix both are same. So we can multiply AB. Are you remembering? Yes. So if the number of columns in first matrix and number of rows in second matrix both are same, then only we can multiply the AB and AB exists. So according to that condition our AB exists. We can multiply A to the B. So I will write the AB, that is 1, 2, 3 minus 4. Next B is 2, 0, 1 minus 2. So how we can multiply AB? The rule is first row to the first column. So from first matrix we have to multiply first row to the first column of second matrix. So you have to multiply corresponding elements 1, 2, 2, 1. So corresponding elements are 1 into 2, that is 2, plus always plus sign, 2 into 1, 2. The first element is over. Next I want to write the next element. How we can write? First row, second column. 1 into 2, 0 into minus 2. Okay? So 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. So our first row is completed. If another one column will be there, so I will take first row, third column. But only two columns, so two elements are over. So with respect to first row, we completed our AB. So I have to take with second row, that is 3 minus 4. Second row, first column, 3 into 2, 6 minus 4 into 1, minus 4. So with first column it is over. Next move to the second column, 3 into 0, 0 minus 4 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus, 4 to the 8. So this is our AB. What is our final answer AB? 2 plus 2, 4, 0 minus 4, minus 4, 6 minus 4, 2, 0 plus 8, 8. This is our AB. Next we will find out the BA. How we can find out the BA? Here BA. The first matrix is B and second matrix is A. So before multiplying, please check the condition for matrix multiplication. So our B matrix order is 2 by 2 and A matrix order is 2 by 2. Okay? So what is the condition? First matrix number of columns, second matrix number of rows must be same. So here both are 2, 2, then we can multiply BA. So So first I will write the B matrix. 2, 0, 1 minus 2, and A is 1, 2, 3 minus 4. Okay? So I have to multiply. How to multiply the two matrices? First row, first column, first row, second column. So 2, 0, 1, 3. So 2 ones are 2, 0 into 3, 0. First element is completed. 2 twos are 4, 0 into minus 4, 0. Next 1 into 1, 1 minus 2 into 3, minus 6. 1 into 2, 2, minus 2 into minus 4, plus 8. So what will get BA? 2 plus 0, 2, 4 minus 0, 4, minus 5, 2 plus 8, 10. So this is our BA matrix. So please check whether AB and BA are equal. For equal matrices, what is the condition? Order must be same. So both are of 2 by 2 order, so order is same. Next, corresponding elements must be same. All the corresponding elements. 4, 2. So first element is only not same and other also not same. So from this what we can say? AB is not equal to BA. Okay? So from this we can conclude that matrix multiplication does not hold good the commutative law. Okay? So I will move to the next law. I will rub this one. So, second property is associative law. What do you mean by associative law? So, if there are the three matrices and if I multiply AB first, then I have to multiply C, this answer is always equal to A into BC. Okay? If A, B, C are the matrices, so associative law holds good for matrix multiplication. And third law is distributive law. If there are the three matrices and A plus B and we have to multiply C to the whole A plus B, then we can multiply AC plus BC. So after adding we can multiply, or after multiplying we can add, both the answers are same. If like this, A into B plus C, then also answer will be same. AB plus AC. Okay? So fourth property is, if A is a square matrix. If A is a one square matrix, if you multiply A to the identity matrix of same order, if the order of A is 2 by 2, identity matrix of order 2 by 2 you have to take. Or if you have to multiply I into A, then also we will get the A only. Okay? If identity matrix of same order of A is multiplied to the A, you will get again A. From this we can say that identity matrix is the multiplication identity of matrix multiplication. Okay? Multiplication identity. So if we multiply the I, that is the identity matrix, to the any matrix of same order, then you will get always the same matrix only. So that's why our I, identity matrix, is known as multiplication identity of matrix multiplication. So these are the properties of matrix multiplication. So based on these properties, we will solve some of the problems which may occur for the 5 marks in your annual examination in part D. These are the very important. So one by one we will learn it. Okay? I will rub this and take the problems. So first problem is, if A equal to 0, 6, 7 minus 6, 0, 8, 7 minus 8, 0. If A matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix like this, and matrix B is equal to again 3 by 3 matrix 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 1, 2, 0, and C matrix is one column matrix 2 minus 2, 3. Calculate AC, BC and A plus B into C. Verify that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. Okay? So this is the our question which may occur for the 5 marks in same manner. So we will solve. Before solving, first understand the question. So there are the 3 matrices and we have to calculate this AC. A into C, B into C, A plus B whole bracket into C, and then we have to verify that this matrix is equal to addition of these matrices. Okay, this is distributive law on matrix multiplication. So first we will find out the AC, what they are given. So we will find out one by one and lastly we will verify. So I have to find out the AC. So whether we can multiply AC or not, first you have to check the condition. So what is the order of A? 3 by 3. So what is the order of C? 3 rows and 1 column, that is column matrix. So can we multiply A to the C? Yes. Number of columns is equal to number of rows. 3, 3. So we can multiply. So I will take A. 0, 6, 7 minus 6, 0, 8, 7 minus 8, 0 to the our C matrix. 2 minus 2, 3. Okay? Same? Okay. So now I have to multiply. How to multiply? We have to multiply the first row to the first column. Okay? So 0, 6, 7, 2 minus 2, 3. Multiply the corresponding elements. 0 into 2, 0. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Okay? 7 into 3, plus 21. Okay? So I have directly multiplied and substituted. Once again, 0 into 2, 0. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. 7 into 3, plus 21. So first element is completed. First row, second column. There is no second column. So here only our first row is over. Next I will move to the second row. So what is my second row? Minus 6, 0, 8. So you have to multiply. Minus 6 into 2, minus 12. 0 into minus 2. That is 0. 8 into 3. 24. Correct? Okay. Next. Third row. 7 into 2, 14. Minus 8 into minus 2. Plus 16. 0 into 3. That is 0. This is our AC. What we got? Final answer of AC. Minus 0 minus 12. That is minus 12 plus 21. That is 9. Minus 12 plus 0 minus 12 plus 24. That is plus 12. 14 plus 16. 30. 30 plus 0. 30. This is our AC. So we got AC as a column matrix. Next what we have to find out? BC. So I will find out one by one. BC. So first I will write the B matrix. So before going, please check the condition. B is again 3 by 3 matrix. Number of columns are equal to number of rows of a second matrix. So we can multiply. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2. So this is 0. 1, 2, 0. Okay. So next I have to multiply to the C. 2 minus 2, 3. So after multiplying, what you will get? How we can multiply? First row, first column. 0 into 2. 0, 1 into minus 2. Minus 2, 1 into 3. Plus 3. First row is over. Next with second row. 1 into 2, 2. 0 into minus 2. 0. Okay? 2 into 3. 6. Next. 1 into 2. 2. 2 into minus 2. Minus 4. 0 into 3. 0. So this is our BC. So what is our BC? Minus 2 plus 3. 1. Next. 2 plus 0 plus 6. 8. 2 minus 4 plus 0. Minus 2. Okay, this is our BC. Next we have to find out A plus B into C. A plus B. You have to add the A and B matrix, then you have to multiply the C matrix. So see here, first I have to write A plus B. So this is our matrix A, this is our matrix B. We have to add this. How to add two matrices? If the order is same, already same. So you have to add the corresponding elements. So directly I will add and write A plus B. 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. First row is completed. Next take the second row. Minus 6, 1, that is minus 5. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 8 plus 2, 10. 7 plus 1, 8. Minus 8 plus 2, minus 6. 0 plus 0, 0. This is our A plus B. So you have to multiply this A plus B to the C. C is 2 minus 2, 3. Okay. So you have to multiply A plus B into C. So I will rub the question part and I will solve here. So I will rub this also. This is our AC. I will take like this only. So A plus B into C, what you will get? So please concentrate. First row, first column. What you will get? First row, first column. 0 into 2, 0. 7 into minus 2, minus 14. 8 into 3. Plus 24. 8 3 are 24. Next for the second row. Minus 5 into 2. Minus 10. 0 into minus 2. 0. 10 into 3. Plus 30. Next what our third row? 8 2 is 16. Minus into minus plus. 6 2 is 12. Plus 0. So what will be our A plus B into C? That is minus 14 plus 24. 10 and minus 10 plus 30. 20 and here 28. This is our A plus B into C. So we have found out the 3. In question they have given that verify. So what we have to verify? A plus B into C is always equal to AC plus BC. So we have our AC and BC there. So I will add AC plus BC. What is our AC? 9, 12, 13, 30 plus BC. That is, what is our final answer? BC. Here is their BC. 1, 8 minus 2. So after adding both, what you will get? 9 plus 1, 10. 12 plus 8, 20. 30 minus 2, 28. So see here, A plus B into C is 10, 20, 28, one column matrix. AC plus BC is also 10, 20, 28, one column matrix. So finally we have verified that A plus B into C is equal to AC plus BC. That is distributive law. So like this we have to solve the properties of a matrix multiplication by one. So you have to calculate what they have given and finally verify what they have to verify. Okay. So with this problem is over. Please note down. I will move to the next problem. So now I am taking the next very important problem which may occur for the 5 marks in your annual examination, that is second one. So note down, if A is 1, 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3, minus 1, 2. If A is a 3 by 3 matrix and B is 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4, that is 3 by 2 matrix, 3 rows, 2 columns, and C is 2 by 4 matrix, that is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. Calculate. We have to calculate A into BC, AB into C. Then we have to show that AB into C is equal to A into BC. That is associative law. So we have to find this one and finally you have to show that these two are equal. So we will solve one by one. Okay. So you have to find out A into BC first. So I will first consider BC. So I have to find out the BC. So what is our B? B is a one matrix of order 3 by 2 and C is the matrix of order 2 by 4. So here number of columns and number of rows are same. So we can multiply BC. So our B is 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. And what will be the C? 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. This is our C. So I have to multiply. How we can multiply? So see here, first row, first column. So first row is 1, 3, first column is 1, 2. 1 into 1, 1. 3, 2, 6. Yes, completed. Directly I am writing. 1 into 1 is 1, 3, 2, 6, plus 6. Move to the second column. 1 into 2, 2. 3 into 0, 0. 1 into 3, 3. 3 into minus 2, minus 6. 3 to the 6, minus 6. 1 into minus 1, sorry, 1 into minus 4, minus 4, 3 into 1, 3. Okay, with first row we have completed. Move to the second row, 0 into 1. What is 0 into 1? 0 into 1 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4. Next 0 into 2, 0, 2 into 0, again 0. 0 into 3. 0, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Okay, 0 into minus 4, 0, 2 into 1, 2. So check the row. Yes, okay. So with respect to third row, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 4 into 2, 8. Minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 4 into 0, 0. Minus 1 into 3, minus 3. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Okay, minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4, and 4 into 1, plus 4. So this is our BC matrix. So what will be our BC? So see here, BC is 1 plus 6, 7, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 minus 6, minus 1, minus 4 plus 3, minus 1. Sorry, 3 minus 6. Here you will get the, wait, 3 minus 6 is minus 3, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1. Correct? Okay. 0 plus 4, 4. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 minus 4, minus 4. 0 plus 2, 2. Minus 1 plus 8, that is 7. Next. Minus 2 plus 0, minus 2. Minus 3 minus 8, minus 11, 4 plus 4, 8. This is our BC matrix. So we have find out the BC. Next I have to find out A into BC. I have to multiply A to the BC. What is our A matrix? 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Okay. So what is our BC? 3 by 4 matrix. 7, 2 minus 3 minus 1. And 4, 0, 4, sorry, minus 4, 2. 7 minus 2 minus 11, 8. This is our A into BC. We have to multiply. So I will take one by one. This is our first row, this is our first column. So you have to multiply the both. 1 into 7, 7, 1 into 4, plus 4, minus 1 into 7, minus 7. Okay. So one by one neatly, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 2. Plus 2. Okay. So 1 into 3, minus 3, 1 into minus 4, minus 4, minus 1 into plus 11, minus 1 into, minus 11. So that is plus 11. So slowly we can solve. 1 into minus 1, minus 1, 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 8. Minus 8. Okay. Next, with respect to second row 2, 0, 3, you have to multiply to the corresponding columns. 2, 7. 2 sevens are 14 plus 0 into 4. 0, 3 into 7. 21. Okay. 2 into 2. 4. 0 into 0. 0. 3 into minus 2, minus 6, done. 2 into minus 3, minus 6, 0 into minus 4, 0, 3 into minus 11, minus 33, okay. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 0 into 2, 0, 3 into 8, 8 threes are 24. Next, our last row. 3 into 7, 21, minus 1 into 4, minus 4, 2 into 7, plus 14. Okay. 3 into 2, 6, minus 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 2. Minus 4, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4, 2 into minus 11, minus 22. Next, 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 2 into 8 is 16. After multiplication, we will get the matrix like this. So, I will keep the A, B, C as it is. So, finally, I will write the A into B, C value here. Okay? So, this is our question. I will take here only and I will continue. That is A into BC. What will get A into BC? Please add. 7 plus 4 minus 7. 4. 2 plus 2. 4. Minus 3 minus 4. Minus 7 plus 11. 4. Minus 1 plus 2. Plus 1 minus 8. Minus 7. 14 plus 21. 35. 4 plus 0 minus 6. Minus 2. Minus 6 minus 33. Minus 39. Minus 2 plus 24. Minus 2 plus 24. That is 22. 21 minus 4 plus 14. 31. 6 minus 4. 2. Minus 9 plus 4. Minus 5 minus 22. Minus 27. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 5 plus 16. That is 11. This is our A into BC. Okay. So, I will take it as equation 1. Next, we have to find out what is our question. Next, I have to find out AB. Then, I have to multiply C to the AB. Okay. So, A into B. So, first I will write what is A. 1, 1 minus 1, 2, 0, 3, 3 minus 1, 2. Next, our B matrix. 1, 3, 0, 2, minus 1, 4. I have to multiply A to the B. I will rub that one. I will keep A into BC as it is for further references. So, please note down all these one by one. So, A into B. So, I will write here only. Okay. For next, I will take that. 1, 1 minus 1, first row to the first column. So, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 0, 0, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1. Okay. First row, first column. So, first row, second column. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 2, 2, minus 1 into 4, minus 4. First row is over. Next, move to the second one. 2 into 1, 2, 0 into 0, 0, 3 into minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Next, 2, 0, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 3, 6, 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 4, 3 4s are 12. Next, 3 into 1, 3, minus 1 into 0, 0, 2 into minus 1, minus 2. So, I will take with the second column, 3 into 3, 9, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 2 into 4, 8. So, final answer I will write here. That is our AB. What will be our AB? 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 minus 4, 1, 2 minus 3, minus 1, 6 plus 12, 18, 3 minus 2, 1, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 2, that is 7, 7 plus 8, 15. This is our AB. So next I have to find out AB into C. So our AB is 2, 1, minus 1, 18, 1, 15. Next our C is 1, 2, 3, minus 4, 2, 0, minus 2, 1. So I have to multiply one by one. First row, first column, 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 2, 2. Okay, 2, 2 are there, so you can easily multiply. 2, 2s are 4, 1 into 0, 0. 2, 3s are 6, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 minus 4, that is minus 8, 1 into 1, 1. So first row is completed. First row, first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Okay, with respect to now second row, minus 1 into 1, minus 1, 18 into 2, 36, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, 18 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 3, minus 3, minus 18 2s, minus 36, minus 1 into minus 4, that is plus 4, 18 1s are 18. Next with last row, 1 into 1, 1, 15 2s are 30. 1 into 2, 2, plus 0. 1 into 3, 3, minus 30. 1 into minus 4, minus 4, 15 1s are 15. So finally AB into C, what will be our answer? 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, 6 minus 2, 4, minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. This is our first row. Next, minus 1 plus 36, 35, minus 2 plus 0, minus 2, minus 3 minus 36, minus 39, 4 plus 18, 22. Okay? 1 plus 30, 31, 2 plus 0, 2, 3 minus 30, minus 27, minus 4 plus 15, 11. This is our second one. So next, we have to check whether both are equal or not. So we have to show that. So in question they have given show that. That means we have to show that both are equal. So this is our A into BC, that is AB into C. So first we will check with the order. What is the order? 3 rows, 4 columns. Here also 3 rows, 4 columns. So I will check row by row. Row is 4, 4, 4, minus 7. 4, 4, 4, minus 7. 35, minus 2, minus 39, 22. Second row is okay. 31, 2, minus 27, 11. So from 192, what we will conclude? That is A into BC is equal to AB into C. So I will rub this and finally write the answer. Please don't confuse or jumble. Write one by one. So here I am writing the final answer. A into BC is equal to AB into C. That is the associative property. So these are the some important examples on the properties of matrix multiplication. So like this question only it will occur in your annual examination for 5 marks. Little bit lengthy, but if you solve one by one you can solve. Okay. So with this I will conclude this video here only. So thank you.